Hey, all you solar kiln folks, this is Dan from Artistic Timberworks, aka Two Guys Timber Framing. Hey, we today are down at the supercharged solar kiln, and we are going to be unloading a ready stack of cedar that we are going to actually produce into ceiling material, T&G ceiling material that we're actually finishing our timber frame. Two Guys Timber Framing doesn't just do timber framing. We actually do all of the wood that goes onto the house. The siding, the decking, the trim, the flooring, and this is actually the ceiling material. Now we're going to show you how we pull this stuff out of our mill. We're going to get it ready over on the sawmill, get processed. We're going to run it through our shop. We're going to make beautiful T&G out of it. But first, what we got to do is we need to unload this giant stack of cedar that we have in here. And how I actually do it is that this pile of cedar has actually been through our kiln twice. So when I'm reloading or moving everything around, I'll take our fresh batch that's ready to come out, put it towards the front, and then I have another batch behind it that we've actually cut, and it's probably a month behind in the drying process. But today, as we pull this stuff out, we're going to moisture test it. I'm going to show you how I use my ruler to test it to see if this wood is ready to be processed for interior finished wood. Important. I know all you guys know it. It needs to be dry. And then real simple, every rotation that we do in our mill, we clean out our heat exchanger. Now, because after the hot air comes through here, most of your creosote buildup is in this small little pipe. I designed mine. I take 2 screws out, put a box under it, knock it out, clean. It's ready to go for the next time. Okay, guys, it's already 80 degrees here in Tennessee, and it's just the middle of April. So it is a perfect time to get your solar kiln running because of all the heat exposure. Now, we need this wood. It's ready to come out. We're actually going to turn around and process all the wood we've been air drying on our trailer over there. And then that's going to go into our kiln. This thing is going to run 24/7, especially in the summertime. Now, outside of the heat exchanger I've already showed you, we have a multitude of fans. I have fans blowing in the back to keep the airflow. And do not forget, guys, what really helps out, I have a commercial dehumidifier we run all the time. So it just helps get the moisture out of your solar kiln. We're going to show you actually how to process this beautiful material into awesome professional cedar T&G material you can use on any of your projects: siding, ceiling material, your wife's closet, I don't know, anything. Follow along. I'm sure you'll be impressed how easy it is to make. Now today, we've got a batch of red cedar that we've had in our kiln for the last few months. And we're not going to actually show you how to slice it up. There's a ton of videos for you to do that. But we use our woodland mills to cut everything. And the consistency with this saw, all my pieces are perfect. After we dried them, we needed to bring everything back. These are sized. We're going to show you today how to take your raw material that you're going to cut with your timber saw, and we are going to turn it into cedar, tongue and groove, that we're going to use as our ceiling material over in the carriage house. So this is a good example of what you can do other than just framing lumber and things like that. Use all your cutoffs, make material, build more stuff.
That's beautiful stuff, Dan.
It is good stuff, Jay. Hey guys, now I'm lucky enough to have actually a planer with a 3-way cutting system. So for me, I can actually do this whole process with just one pass. So as the board's going in, you're actually rough, and you're gonna see exactly what's happening as it comes out of the machine. So right now, as this board comes out, it's completely ready to be installed in your project. Now I know a lot of you don't have a machine that's gonna cut like this, but we cut a lot of this kind of material, so for us it's a time saver. Okay guys, about 4 hours, we actually got all our cedar cut and we got ourselves 180 pieces of T&G material. Various sizes between 12, 8 feet, and yes, we got a couple of small ones too. But if you use a little bit of your saw, a little bit of time, ingenuity, you can use all your wood to make all the different products and projects you want to do. So, guys, keep milling. Okay, guys, if you like anything that you're seeing here, please thumbs up, comment, and subscribe to our channel. We'll show you tons of stuff that you can do on your own with all of your wood. See ya.